All right, we got another update coming here. We are, ooh, it's a little sunny right there. I've got a U-Haul trailer and a truck rented to go pick up the Camaro from the Sandblaster. So that's ready. The body part is ready. They have some panels. They said that they need another day, but they're going to deliver that on their own. So right now, let's show you that. So we've got the back, got a hood, I got 2 new doors, wheel wells, Detroit Speed mini tub, and then inside got some grill stuff and hardware and all that good stuff I'm taking to the body shop so I can start putting my car together. So when we get to the blaster, then I will send you guys another update. All right, just got to OC Sandblasting. There it is. It's the body, at least. They're working on the other panels still, so those will be delivered either later today or Monday. But here's what we got. All down to metal. Now we can see what's really going on here. Excited to get this going. All right, we're gonna get this on the trailer, and then we'll see what we got from there. All right, it's on the trailer. Let's take a look here what we got. Definitely gonna need some body work. You can see somebody's done work on it before. We got a patch panel or a skin here. This is the passenger side. The inside doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's actually really good. So, they said they didn't really find any rust on the car. That's great. Just some patch jobs, obviously. Firewall, needs a little bit of work, but not too bad. Not too bad. Frame looks nice. The firewall front cowl looks clean. Rockers look great. Even the roof looked good. I don't know if you guys can see. The roof looked really good. I do need some work here. They said about 3/4 of an inch Bondo here. This is the driver's side rear quarter. So we might need a skin because, there's some, it's not rust, but it looks like whoever did the work just maybe did not do a good job. Maybe there was some rust there. So might need a new driver's side rear quarter. And then underneath here, there was some work done. They found more heavy Bondo. Looks like they try to pull it out there. So maybe need to replace that as well. Not sure. Obviously up to the body shop. I am no expert on that. But guys, it just looks really clean. There's a bunch of holes everywhere where, patch jobs where whoever was the owner before obviously did accessory work on it and whatnot. It looks really clean. I'm really excited for this. So let's look at the roof here. Yeah, the roof looks nice. Very happy about that. All right, well, there you have it. I'm going to take it to the body shop. Once we get there, we'll get back on this camera. All right, final video for this series of car being blasted. I'm here at Angora's Body and Paint. I believe this is Pomona. Car's getting dropped off. Gonna head into there tonight. They're gonna epoxy primer it right away. That way this thing doesn't flash rust. And talked about some things needing to be replaced, but until they get the primer and start work on it, we won't know for sure. So they plan on starting it within the next week or two. They just got a spot freed up, so that's lucky for me. And once we start that process, as they update me weekly, bi-weekly, I will be updating these videos. Keep you guys up to date. As they say in YouTube land, subscribe, like, thanks.